Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you somebody that wants to make money in Forex but you don't want to trade? Are you someone that wants to make money in Forex but you're afraid of losing your money? Are you someone that wants to make money in Forex but you don't have a capital? Then if you fall into these three categories, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make money from Forex without trading, with no capital, and what, with no investment. You don't have to trade at all, but then you will make money from Forex. So hello guys, my name is DBO the strategist, and what do I do on my YouTube channel? I come on my YouTube channel to come and talk about the strategy on how to make money online and also leveraging your physical skill. Let's take for instance that you think, oh, this strategy does not make sense. I will come to this YouTube channel and break down what the complex strategy or the strategy you think does not make sense and make you see that, oh, this strategy actually makes sense. So let's go to my screen and see how you can make money from Forex without trading, with no investment, and what, with no capital. Please kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. So today, for today's tutorial, I'll be using Chrome, but you can use Google, you can use Chrome, you can use any browser that you have on your phone. But for today's tutorial, I'll be using Chrome for my tutorial. So let's click on Chrome. Okay, now Chrome has loaded for us. So the next thing you will search for on your Chrome is Forex CEO on LinkedIn. Forex CEO on LinkedIn. So the next thing, okay, on LinkedIn. So the next thing is to search. Oh, perfect. So Chrome has loaded for us. So one thing I want you to take note when using this strategy is that those with 4 followers, those with 3 followers, those with 9 followers, I need you to ignore those accounts. And the reason is because I don't want you to work with accounts that does not have a real account, like the person is not real. Most of these accounts, it's possible they are not a real account. So the next thing is to look for those that has more follower. Okay, somebody like Tim Morris has 790 plus followers. Someone like Ikechukwu has 100 plus followers. So you can still scroll down, you will see people 30 plus followers. So you can see people that has a whole lot of followers. So the next thing is to let's click on Ikechukwu. We've clicked on Ikechukwu. Okay, so this is Ikechukwu's profile on LinkedIn, but this is something I want you to also take note. One thing I want you to take note in Ikechukwu's account is that Ikechukwu does not have a profile picture, so I don't want you to work with such person. So the next thing you do is just go back to your Chrome, go back to your Chrome and look for somebody else, someone like Tim Morris. Click on Tim Morris. Let's check Tim Morris out on LinkedIn. Perfect. So we can see that Tim Morris has a profile picture, and let's check when Tim Morris posted last on LinkedIn. The last time Tim Morris posted last was 1 month ago. So this is a perfect person that we'll be using for our tutorial today. So the next thing is to go and follow Tim Morris. Follow Tim Morris. You can see that I'm already following Tim Morris because I've been using this strategy. So I'm following Tim Morris. So in case you've not been following that person, kindly follow the person. So let's go back to Chrome. Now we are back to Chrome. The next thing I want to tell you now is that if this strategy works anywhere in the world, so let's say for instance that you are in Australia or you are in US, the only thing you need to do is to come to this search bar and click on Forex CEO in I'm in Nigeria, so I will use Nigeria. In Nigeria on LinkedIn, then search for them. So we can see that we have a whole lot of what Forex CEO on LinkedIn Nigeria. So let's check this on Chinedu's out because he has 1.2k followers. Okay, so perfect. Chinedu is a Forex CEO in Nigeria, and we can see that he has a profile picture. And let's check the last time he posted on the LinkedIn page. Okay, so the last time he posted was okay, sorry, already loading. Let's check. 1 day ago. So we can see that this is a perfect person to also use. So the next thing is to follow. You can see that I'm already following because I'm in Nigeria. You can see that I'm already following. So this is the first step you need to know if you are going to use this strategy. So let's go back to Chrome. In case you are in Australia, anywhere you are in the world, just come to the search bar and look for Forex CEO in your country on LinkedIn. So this is the first step. You're welcome back. Okay, now you know that we need a LinkedIn account to make money with this strategy. But then, let's take for instance that you don't have a LinkedIn account, or you don't have 500 plus connection on your LinkedIn account, or your LinkedIn account is not optimized. Don't worry. At the end of today's video, I'll be telling you how you can get a 500 plus LinkedIn account, how you can optimize your own LinkedIn account, and how you can create your own LinkedIn account in case you don't have one. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you all these steps. So let's move back to my screen to show you the second step you need to take when doing this strategy. So let's move back to the step 2 of this video. So the next thing you would do is go to your Chrome. Like I said, you can be, I'm using Chrome. Then come to chatgpt.com. You can see that I've already opened my ChatGPT because I already have an account. But in case you don't have an account with ChatGPT, just go to your Chrome or any browser and type ChatGPT. It's going to load for you. So the next thing is, let me just say hi first to ChatGPT. Hi. Okay, so it has responded. The next thing is to tell ChatGPT to write 10 email messages that is SEO optimized, simple and concise, that a content writer can use to pitch to Forex CEO on LinkedIn. So search for it. Search for it. Is loading. Okay, so you can see it has given us a lot of answer, but this is still not good enough. So tell ChatGPT again to focus on email and newsletter. So before you click, just come and click on this reason. This allows ChatGPT to give you a better prompt. So search for it. So let's search for it. Let's see it there. Okay. Yeah, it's loading. It's loading and loading. Okay, perfect. So so you can see, hi, my name is, you write your name. I specialize in creating SEO driven email newsletter. Can you see? So the reason why I asked ChatGPT to give us 10 is because ChatGPT is an AI tool, but I want you to also put your human element. So that's why I asked ChatGPT to give us 10. So copy all these things that ChatGPT has given you, copy it to your notepad, and go and see how you can edit and just use it for your pitching. You will use it for your pitching. So just copy. You can even ask ChatGPT to give you 20, to give you 50, depending on you. So this is what you will be using to pitch to those Forex CEO. So let's take for instance that you don't have a portfolio yet. Just hold on. I'm going to tell you how to get your what? How to get your portfolio ready before pitching to this Forex CEO. Hi guys. Now you understand that we'll be using LinkedIn and ChatGPT for this strategy. Okay, so now you might be wondering that, oh, I don't have a LinkedIn account, I don't have 500 plus connection, don't give excuse. Do you know what? The why is because that if you are looking for a LinkedIn account, there are some Telegram group that you can join. All this Telegram group, they're always asking for people that has 500 plus LinkedIn account, so you can borrow someone's account. And if you are somebody too, you can also create your own LinkedIn account. Go to ChatGPT to help you rise SEO optimized page for your LinkedIn account. Then fix your LinkedIn account and start sending connection to people. So you can do that for a week, and let's see, you are going to see something better from it. And also you might be wondering that, but I'm not a content writer, I don't know how to write content. Do you know what you will do? What you will do is that go to Chrome and type in answer.com. When you type in answer.com, on the search bar of answer.com, type Forex. You will see all the questions people have been asking on Forex. So copy all these questions, copy it into your notepad, then be picking it one by one and have ChatGPT to write what article on it. Then package all these articles together in your Google Drive, package it together and name that Google Drive your portfolio. So when you are sending the email message to this Forex CEO, they are going to what? They are going to see that you can even attach that Google Drive link to it so that they can see your portfolio. Can you see you can make money from Forex without trading, with no capital? So there's no excuse that, oh, I don't have money. You must have money. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's see how you was. Let me see your comments in the comment section to see how this strategy works for you. Bye.